This is the e.l.f. Love Triangle Lip Liner. And look how nice this is. Let me open it up so you can see what it looks like. So here is the e.l.f. lip liner, and it's a little bit thicker than normal lip liners, but that's because, check this out, it's a triangle. Now, you're gonna notice that there is a triangle tip, and that is so you can line your lips. And the bottom portion, which is a bit more thicker, that is so you could color in your lips. How perfect is that? So with one stop, you can do your lips, or you can just use it as a lip liner as well. So here it is. Now this is in red. However, they have other colors to choose from as well. And another nice feature is it's retractable. So I love these mechanical type of lip liners because I do not like sharpening my lip liner pencils. It's just such a hassle sometimes. Plus there's little bits everywhere. So I always like to get retractable or mechanical lip liners. So here it goes. I'm going to show you how it works. So there is a triangle right there, and I'm going to use that to line my lips first. And it's just gliding right on. Perfect. And now, with the thicker portion, I'm going to color in my lips. I am loving this bright red color. Ta-da! So this is by e.l.f. and look how nice that is. This is what it looks like. And it's called the Love Triangle, and I absolutely love it. So thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.